So guys, for the first step, you want to get into this screen. Now to get here, you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you want to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times, and then on the 4th time, when you turn your computer on again, it will then take you into this screen. It's going to be saying that your PC did not start correctly. You want to click on Advanced Options. And now once we're here, I'm going to show you 3 different things that we can try. So for the first method, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then System Restore. If you have any restore points available on your computer, then you want to click on Next and then go back to your restore point. See if that works. If you don't have any restore points, you want to click on Cancel. For the next method, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Start Up Repair. It's now going to start diagnosing your PC. Wait for this to load. It should then take you back into Windows and then the problem should be fixed. If that's still not fixed, then you want to click on Advanced Options. For the last method, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Command Prompt. And now once we're here, you want to type in sfc /scan now and then click on Enter. And you want to run the scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And now once that's been done, we can now resolve this. Now you want to continue to Windows, and then hopefully this will fix your problem.